Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm excited to film this video because I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic Luxe Collective limited edition beauty box. It is worth £128, but it's selling on the website right now for £55. And there is 9 products inside, and there's a mixture of makeup, which I'm very excited about. There's also skincare, and there is a fragrance, which I'm also excited about. So the brands inside are NARS, Shiseido, Laura Mercier, and a few other brands which I will show you in a minute. So if you're interested in seeing everything that's inside, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. So this is what the collection looks like here. I love the box for it. It's a little bit bigger than the standard beauty box size, and it's also this black and gold box which looks so luxurious, and it complements obviously the luxurious products inside. And also it's a little bit different from an ordinary beauty box as well, because they've actually designed this as a slight kind of advent calendar, like without having like numbers and that on it. It actually has like the brands in all these different little boxes like that, which I think is really pretty. Like, I just love that. And you can clearly see there the brands that we get inside. Some of my favourite brands there, like NARS, Laura Mercier, Bare Minerals. We get this booklet here which tells us all about the products that are inside and how to use them, and there's also some more info there about all the kind of makeup and beauty brands that are inside, some tips and tricks and all that kind of stuff as well. So really good read. I almost kind of want to display this in the background, like the way that I've been displaying the advent calendars. Like, that would be so cute just right there. But anyway, we'll go on with it. So the first thing I'm going to unbox is the Bare Minerals product. Inside here we get the Bare Minerals Pureness Gel Cleanser. So I am loving the sound of that. I love kind of gel products on my skin. So this is the coconut and prickly pear scented gel cleanser. And yeah, I haven't used much skincare products from Bare Minerals, so I'm excited to see how this is going to go. I'm just going to take a little bit out and give it a smell. So it is like a gel, but it's also quite creamy. So I wouldn't say it's completely gel. It definitely has some kind of creaminess in it there. It smells nice. It doesn't smell over coconut or anything like that. It says the gentle gel cleanser with only 15 ingredients removes makeup and impurities, leaving skin feeling comforted and calm. It's for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And because it's a gentle gel cleanser, you can use it in the morning and at night time as well. This sounds lovely. I'm looking forward to trying it out. And of course, this is a full size product, which is great. I'm going to open this box next, which is NARS, one of my favourite makeup brands. And here we get the NARS Climax mascara. So that's it right there. I've tried this before and I really like it, so I'm happy to have another one of these. I love the packaging for it. That's it right there. Super cute. The mascara has a silky formula which is enhanced with the brand's new loaded pigment complex, ensuring maximum impact as it amplifies your lashes from roots to tip. Next brand is Shiseido, and this is the Wrinkle Soothing Eye Cream. And I tried this before, but I can't remember how this went, so I'm looking forward to giving it another try. That's it right there. The info here says, energize the look of dull, tired eyes with this Shiseido cream, working to smooth out the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There's no better way to achieve smoother, more firmer skin around the eyes. Fueled by a fusion of fortifying ingredients, the eye cream conditions the skin around the eye contour for a bright and supple look. And I think this is maybe a slightly deluxe size. It's a 15 ml. So the next brand is Laura Mercier, one of my favourite makeup brands, so I'm excited about this. We get her Silk Cream lipstick, and I don't think I've tried the lipstick from her before. I love her powder and things like that, but I've never tried the lipstick. Well, not this one, I don't think anyway. I would remember. And ooh, I like the packaging for this. It's kind of like this steel kind of look packaging, and let's test. It has a magnetic closure, which is great. That's the shade right there. Oh, that's pretty. I was expecting this to be like a red shade because I know one of her red shades is really famous, and also it says that this is a Rouge Essential Silk Cream lipstick, so I was expecting it to be red, but I'm glad it's not, because you know me, I never wear red. So this is like a pink shade, which is definitely something I would wear. I'm going to give it a little swatch for you. It just looks so pretty. That's the shade there, and that's pretty. That's like it's quite a strong pink shade. This with a really soft pink eye look would be gorgeous, or even just make this a star of the show by just having this on your lips and nothing on your eyes. Yeah, I think that'll be really gorgeous, and it feels lovely as well. It's nice and creamy and silky, and those are my favourite types of formulas on my lips. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and it's the shade A La Rose. The next box is Sergei Lutens. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm looking forward to this. Okay, so this is packaging for it here, and let me just check this out. Oh, okay, so it's like a little fragrance, like a little sample fragrance like that. There is another perfume brand in this box, I think. I see Narciso Rodriguez, which I know is a perfume brand, and I've always wanted to smell their perfumes, so yeah, I'm excited to get into that box. But this is like another little mini one here from Sergei Lutens, which I've never heard of before. Let's give it a little spray. Oh, that's fresh. That reminds me of, there is a, I think it's the brand Bliss. Have you ever heard of the brand Bliss, who do a lot of body wash products and things like that, like shower products and bath products? Yeah, this reminds me of their products, and yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, so we get another product from Shiseido. So inside this one we get the, oh, I like this product. This is their Ultimate Power Infusion Concentrate. So I mentioned before in my channel about this product. I went through a full size of one of these and I really enjoyed it because it's like a kind of gel serum. It's a little mini this. I'll read you a little bit info on this in case you haven't tried it before. It says recharge your skin's radiance in just 3 days with this serum. It's powered by 8 botanical ingredients. The anti-aging serum works to strengthen skin's ability to defend itself. A potent blend of rosella, reishi mushrooms and iris extracts help to improve skin's resilience against the effects of aging, while lotus and ginkgo work to combat environmental aggressors. Skin feels instantly smoother and hydrated. We also get another NARS product, and in here is their blush. So I think I know exactly what blush this will be. This is their famous orgasm blush. Yes, this I love. This is a really nice blush as well. I have a bunch of these now, like little kind of deluxe sizes and mini sizes. I don't actually own the full size, but I have like loads of little minis of it. This is it right here. I love NARS packaging. It's a little kind of deluxe size, and it's in the slightly newer packaging from NARS, because before it was slightly curved on the edge, just slightly. Now it is more of a square packaging, if you can see that. That's the shade right there. So it's quite a soft pink shade, and it has little kind of gold shimmery bits in it, but it's not too intense on the cheeks. It is actually quite subtle, which is nice. We get this, and we get the Climax mascara from NARS, which are two of their kind of best selling products. So yeah, I'm happy about that. And then again we get another Laura Mercier product, and inside here we get, oh yes, we get their her setting powder, and it's, oh, this is the honey shade. I think this is the slightly newer shade, I think, in the range that I think. That I have the original, which I have right here because I used it today to do my makeup. This is gorgeous. So this doesn't really have much of like a colour to it. It is kind of like colourless, if that makes sense. It is translucent. However, this is the translucent honey, so it's a little bit tinted, if you can see that. Like, I will just show you. Yeah, as you can see that compared to that one, it's a little bit tinted. It is slightly tinted, so this will be really good for people with slightly medium skin tones. Yeah, because like sometimes if you use translucent powders on, you know, medium skin tones, it can slightly lighten your foundations, but this one with a slight tint to it I think will be really good for medium skins. I will still give this a go, like when I'm tan and things like that, where I wear like a darker foundation. I will definitely be using this because it's one of my favourite setting powders. I'll just read the exact info on it. So it says that it's a sheer coverage powder that avoids settling into the fine lines and pores, giving a modern matte finish that is crease free without looking cakey or adding weight. The powder provides even coverage for an ultra airbrushed look. Now the next brand we get is Narciso Rodriguez, and I'm very excited to get into this because I know this is a perfume brand, and yeah, I've always wanted to smell their perfumes. That's it right there, and it's the amber or ambre fragrance. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but anyway. Okay, so this is a little kind of purse spray, should I say? Yeah, it's like a purse spray, so it's not like their actual perfume bottles. This is the purse one. Let's give it a little smell. Ooh. Okay, that smells nice. That smells like the smell that you always get when you walk in to like a John Lewis or Boots. Like, that just seems to be the smell that's in the air because everyone's like spraying all the perfumes. Yeah. That is a nice smell though. The heart of musk is surrounded by an accord of frangipani, ylang ylang, amber and cedar to create a magnetic fragrance. It's a nice fragrance because it's not like a straight up floral fragrance or a fruit fragrance. It's like that sort of in between fragrance, which I'm actually really enjoying right now, like a lot of kind of musk and amber and like cedar and, you know, sandalwood. So the two different fragrances we get in this box are really different. The Sergei Lutin's one is very fresh and it's quite soft, whereas the one from Narciso is very, I would say, musky, but also it's not spicy. I really don't know how to describe it, but they're just very different. Yeah, they're very different from each other. So that is everything. And oh sorry, I've got this cold sore right here. I've had it for weeks and it just keeps cracking every time I'm talking. But yeah, that is everything that we get inside this box, and I am loving the products in here. They're all my favourite kind of brands in here. So like Bare Minerals, I love like their makeup, so I'm excited to get into this cleanser. The NARS blush and the Climax mascara, like, yes, amazing. The Laura Mercier translucent powder, as well as the lipstick, like amazing. I'm just so excited to try this powder out because I love the original, and the lipstick looks beautiful. Can't wait to try that on my lips. Fragrances also great. The two of them are very different from each other, which is amazing. I'd love to know your thoughts on this limited edition, and if you're interested in it, it's available right now. I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. Again, it is worth £128, but it's selling for £55. And of course, if you're interested in trying the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, like I do unboxings of them, so if you're interested in trying out one of their boxes, then I do have a discount code where you can get 10% off. I have it down in my description box, like it's always down there, but you can use that anytime you want. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.